Here's my new rig. I needed some video to try out editing on it. So we're going to record the build. It's nothing instructional, just a fun video of it going together. So with that, let's get to it. The mythical DDR5 has arrived. Now that we have everything, let's open it up and see what we have. It's upgrade time. Let's put this thing together. We're going to start with installing the RAM and the CPU on the motherboard. I only have a single stick of RAM, so there might be an upgrade in my future. But the way the shortage is with DDR5, I was happy to even have this. So let's install these components. And a test fit of the cooler. Uh-oh. We've turned the cooler 90 and we have good clearance all the way around and we're sitting flush on the processor. Let's take the cooler off and we can start putting components in the case. Now we'll install the NVMe storage. With our motherboard in, we'll run all our cables now. Not the best cable management, but it'll do. Next up, we're going to install the cooler. We're going to first wipe off all the surfaces with some rubbing alcohol. Make sure they're nice and clean. Now we'll install some thermal paste. Noctua says a 4 to 5 millimeter drop in the middle. Now the cooler, remembering we are 90 degrees from what you would normally do. We'll reattach the cooling fan. And then we should be ready to plug it in. We've only installed one fan on the cooler. I do have the second fan, but it would interfere with the graphics card when I install it. They're a little hard to come by nowadays. So if I need more cooling, I will put a second fan on the top. Here we are, old to new. 8 years, 8 generations of processors, 4770K to a 12700K. So it should be a huge improvement for my video editing. Today was a lot of fun. We've shot lots of video. Now we're going to give it a try editing on the new machine. Thanks for watching. Now we're installing Windows.